if you use conditional formatting, you may want to pause it or switch it off without actually deleting it. So here we've got some conditional formatting, and I've just put an on-off switch here, simple drop down. The way to do this is I'm going to highlight the area that has the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, and I'm going to go and set up a new rule. I'm going to use a formula, and all the formula is going to say is that cell over there equal to the word off? And we're going to actually leave it as no format set, which basically says just don't do anything. When I say OK, we're halfway there. The problem is that the way conditional formatting works is it applies each rule. So I'm just going to go back in here. I'm going to go to Manage Rules. And you can see it's sitting over here, but it will run this one, then this one, then this one. So on the far right here, we've got a stop if true. And if we click on it, what we're telling Excel is if that says off, don't even bother doing these. It is important that this is at the top. And notice you have got little arrow buttons to move up and down. I'm just going to apply it. When I say OK, nothing happens. But when we come here and I say switch it off, the conditional formatting switches off. Put it on, it switches on again.